All right, today's product is from Slopehill. Now, this product was not sent to me for free. We actually purchased this ourselves for our little puppy that doesn't want to listen. So this is a remote dog training collar. On the side, you can see that there's a vibrate, tone, shock. So 3 training modes, 99 levels of vibration and 99 levels of shock. Wow. IP68 waterproof and 45 days of standby time. Some warnings on the back. Do not leave the collar on your dog for more than 12 hours per day. 2,600 foot remote training range. Train up to 3 dogs. Wow. Signal wake up technology, backlit LCD display. And that's it. Let's open this on up and see what we have in here. Do not attach leashes to this collar. Lots of warnings. So looks like a full little instruction guide to tell you everything you need to know. Then we've got, oh, wow, there's multiple collars in here. I didn't know that. So here's, this collar looks to be just like a normal black collar. And this is actually the reason I bought this. I like the green color. So this is the collar that I plan to use with our dog. So we'll be able to feed it all through and get it set to the right length and everything. And not entirely certain what these are. It almost looks like a fuse of some sort. That's like a wrist strap, and then a warning. So yeah, it looks like the this strap feeds right through here to put it on. All right. And does this like recharge or anything? Oh, it does. Look at that. It's got a little port right there where I believe we're able to, yeah, there we go. Look at that. So that part's pretty nice. We ain't got to deal with batteries. Now this is a proprietary cable, so you know, you lose this, you can't charge anything, but it seems here's your remote. You've got on, off, and actual shock, vibrate, and noise, which I plan to try to use the noise and vibration over the shock. I'm hoping that'll work. And looks like here on the bottom is where we'd plug this into. Yeah, so plug that in on the bottom, and then over here on this side, you got the same little port. Bingo. So now I can plug this into USB, get both of these charging, and then put it around my dog and hopefully use the vibrate and noise to get him to chill. And if not, we got the zap button. All right, well, that will do it for this Slopehill remote dog training collar unboxing. This is everything that would come inside the box. And once you get it charged up, of course, read your instructions and get it on your dog, and you should be good to go. So I'll do it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.